Hello. Is now the perfect time to buy a new home or renovate your existing one? I'm Andrew McKay of Remax by the Bay brokerage here in Wasaga Beach, and the answer may well be yes. We'll get into that in a minute. If you know anybody, as always, that would find this video useful, please do share it. And to add to our Google juice, if you can like, subscribe or comment, that'd be fantastic. Renovating or moving, and why now may be a perfect time. Firstly, we need to see why so many people are considering those options. There was a recent survey and they found, all to do with COVID, all to do with the last 18 months, how our lifestyle has changed. Not our lives, our lifestyle has changed. The 70% with this survey, 70% of respondents want more outdoor living space. That's one of the reasons, just going off at a tangent, here in Wasaga Beach, we're seeing so many people move here from the GTA. They can work from home, but they get more for their money. They get a backyard, they get space. People are moving away from the high density areas. That was just going off. 69% of respondents want a home office, working from home, as I said. 46% of respondents want a multi-function room, flexible space, and 42% of respondents want an in-law suite. So you can see there's some really important driving factors making people thinking about either moving into a new house or renovating. If you want any of those, as I said, you've got two options: you move or you renovate. And these decisions, there's three factors behind dictating a decision. Maybe you want to move to a new area, that's one, and we can't really address that. Secondly, there's the difference between the cost of renovation and the new home. That's what we're going to look at. And thirdly, the decision is, can you find a new home that meets all your requirements? That's basically it, finding a new home that meets all your requirements. Now, you can't always renovate, you may have to move, so that's why that's important. Either way, whether you're buying or renovating, you need access to funds, and that brings us to the crux of the matter, why now may be the perfect time, and why the clock may be ticking. The clock may be ticking. The last 18 months I've got some figures here, but the last 18 months have seen record increases in home prices. In Wasaga Beach itself, over the last 12 months, the average sale price of a single detached family freehold home has gone up 35%. So if you do want to move, you can use that equity as a large down payment, or even possibly paying off the home completely if you're downsizing or moving to another less expensive area. If you decide to renovate, you can refinance your mortgage or a line of credit to draw out that equity to pay for the renovation. So that's the reason now may be a perfect time. Yes, it can happen in the future, but as I said, the clock is ticking because interest rates are only going one way. They're going to move up. 12 months time, nobody knows when. Experts can't predict anything at the moment, but I think we all know they're at record lows. 12 months time, you may make a decision to renovate or move. You're going to need a mortgage, it's going to cost you more, or the refinancing is going to cost you more. You may be not able to draw out as much of the money. Well, that's a quick look at why now may be the perfect time, with the clock ticking, as I said, to either renovate or move. The reasons behind it, people looking for more space, etc. If you have any questions, please do contact me. As I said, please share, like, subscribe or comment, and hope you found this interesting. Cheers.